Nate here at Viking Masek US Headquarters. Today I'm going to talk about your machine's control console features. The following is a quick overview of the control console's human-machine interface and push buttons. We design and customize machines for work in a large variety of packaging applications to fulfill the needs and requirements of our customers. Due to the volume and variety of packaging solutions that we offer and fulfill, the buttons set in HMI in this video may not exactly match your customized application. However, the core functionality is consistent throughout our lineup of machines. If you run into any problems, don't hesitate to consult your manual or contact the Viking Masek service team at the number at the end of this video. First, before we start to become familiar with pushing the machine buttons, hit pause and read our safety notice. The control console provides access to the touchscreen human-machine interface and the physical switches that control the machine's functions. Dependent on the machine type and configuration, the console may be independently swivel-mounted or attached directly to the electrical cabinet of the machine. Typically, the control console consists of 4 physical buttons and the human-machine interface. Here's a quick description of them. Emergency stop. The emergency stop is a user-activated button that initiates an immediate stop when pushed. An emergency stop turns all motor drives to a safe state and releases air pressure from the pneumatic system. The emergency stop causes an immediate and jarring stop to machine functions. Only use this button in emergencies because unnecessary e-stop usage causes premature equipment wear. After pressing the emergency stop button, it remains engaged. Pull out and rotate the button for disengagement. Stop. Press this button to stop the machine. Pressing the button systematically stops the machine at its next available programmed stopping point. Reset. The reset button resets the functions of the machine after a stop, a machine fault, a door opening, or an emergency stop. Once resolving the reason for the stop, press this button to reset the machine. If the machine stopped due to a fault, resolve the reason for the fault, then press reset to clear the fault. Start. Pressing the start button once initializes the machine to return to its start position. Once the machine is in its start position, pressing the button again starts the machine's operation. Once the machine starts running, all programmed activities initiate and continuously operate until the stop button is pressed. A machine fault occurs, an emergency stop is pressed, a door is opened, or the machine loses power. Touchscreen Human-Machine Interface, HMI. The Human-Machine Interface, or HMI for short, is a touchscreen control that manages the machine functions controlled by the programmable logic controller. The touchscreen HMI also manages user logins, the operational state of the machine, the fault alerts, the machine settings, and saved package creation recipes. The HMI may be customized based on the functions, options, and customer requests of the individual machine and its packaging application, but the core functionality of the HMI is the same across all of our machine platforms. The HMI is an interactive touchscreen. There are 3 types of touch points on the HMI: icons, Touch an icon to access the menu page of the HMI that the icon represents. Use the icons to navigate to the different pages of the HMI. Buttons. Touch and use the buttons to turn a machine function off or on, or access an additional settings page related to the current menu page. Buttons can appear as a green check mark or red no sign, a square box, a radial button, or an icon that changes colors from red to green. The pull bell button and scale signal buttons are good examples of color changing icon types. Settings boxes. Touch a settings box to change machine settings. Settings boxes can have different applications, such as entering a machine timing setting or naming a recipe. When touching a settings box, a keypad will appear for you to touch and type in whatever is needed. And that's the quick overview of the control console. Not found on the HMI are the like and subscribe buttons, but if you're watching this on YouTube, they are right down there. If you found this video helpful and informative, press those buttons, give our video crew a thumbs up, and receive an alert when a new video is released. Also, check out our machine lineup and videos of our machines in action at vikingmasek.com. Until next time, happy packaging.